Window sashes being a pain to remove for repairs or cleaning is something everyone with older windows totally gets. So, first thing, you want to check those sash stops. They're usually little clips or blocks that hold the window sash in place. Sometimes they're just too tight or stuck, so loosening them gently can make a world of difference. Next up, those sash balances, the weights or springs that help the window move, might be off or too tight, so try adjusting them by removing the balance covers and giving the mechanisms a little wiggle. If the window is double hung, tilting it inward can sometimes free the sash easier, but make sure to unlock any latches first. Also, clean out any dirt or paint buildup around the edges. This stuff can glue your sash right in place. Don't force the sash out. If it's stuck, it might damage the window or break glass, so patience is key. Using a flat tool like a putty knife to gently pry around edges can help loosen things up without harm. Finally, lubricate the tracks with a silicone spray to keep everything sliding smooth for next time. One of the biggest mistakes with window sash removal is ignoring the sash stops and trying to yank the whole thing out. This often causes damage and makes repairs way harder. Fix that by always identifying and loosening those stops before you start pulling. Another frequent problem is not adjusting or checking the sash balances, which leads to windows feeling stuck or heavy. Just take off the balance covers and tweak the springs or weights to get a better glide. The third common issue is rushing to remove a stuck sash without cleaning dirt, paint, or grime from the frame. This buildup acts like glue, so take time to scrape and clean before attempting removal. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Contractors also benefit because it connects them with real customers looking for their specific skills, making work easier to find.